Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
Draw a line, then make a loop, add a tail, and now whoop whoop, we doodle-doo. We doodle bright, let's draw animals left and right. Draw a dog with floppy ears. Draw a cat that purrs and cheers. Draw a mouse so small and quick. Draw a frog, jump, jump, trick. Draw that animal, big or small. Fuzzy, scaly, short or tall. Wiggle your brush, swirl it round. Color it up without a sound.
Time for colors. Let's paint that dog. No vocals. Focus on coloring segment.
Draw a turtle, slow and green. Draw a fishy, in between. Draw a monkey, swinging high. Draw a peacock, what a guy. Draw with me, let's make a doodle zoo, you see. Animal land, just draw with heart, it will be
Great job, little
Draw
artists.
animal,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.